Hello students, hope all is well from your sides. After completion of our chapter matrices and determinant, let us start our new chapter, vector algebra. See, about scalars and vectors, we are learning from class 6 that what is a scalar quantity and what is a vector quantity. So, we already know that a quantity that has magnitude only is known as scalar. We know the examples mass, length, time, temperature, density, speed, etc. is a scalar quantity, and after that we have idea about vectors also. So, a quantity that has magnitude as well as direction is called a vector quantity. So, the quantity which is having what? Both magnitude and direction. And being the student of class 12, it is not necessary that I should explain all the things about scalars and vectors because we already know. We know the example of vectors: force, velocity, acceleration, and momentum is a vector. Okay, now see. Here we can say that a directed line segment is called a vector. A directed line segment is called a vector. So if it is a line segment, so a directed line segment with initial point A and the terminal B is the vector denoted by AB. This symbol we have to remember, and AB we have to put an arrow, and this is the line segment from A to B. Okay, the magnitude of AB is denoted by like this, magnitude in the absolute value AB vector form. So we usually denote a vector by a single letter with an arrow. How to represent a vector? We denote a vector by a single letter with an arrow on it, and its magnitude is denoted by this letter only. So here vector AB, A, arrow we have, and here AB arrow is equals to A and this equals to A. Okay, the magnitude we have written and which is equals to A. Now here our next is what is unit vector. So a vector is called a unit vector if magnitude of A equals to 1 and it is denoted by A. Okay, so we can define a unit vector by a vector A is called a unit vector if magnitude of A equals to 1 and it is denoted by A. You see the way of writing. Then we should learn what are equal vectors. So equal vectors, when we say that vectors are equal, two vectors A and B are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and the same direction regardless of the position of the initial points. Okay, so this much for this class, and about other vector, negative of a vector, zero or null vector, we will learn in the next class. So till then, have a good day.